Today we're going to install Steam on our Arch Linux system. Before we get started, if you want a more secure and private browsing experience on Arch Linux, I've included a NordVPN link in the description with a special discounted offer. NordVPN is one of the best VPNs on the market and works great on Linux, helping keep your online activity private and protected. Now let's get started. First, we need to install Nano, which will allow us to edit text files easily. Once Nano is installed, we'll use it to edit the Pacman configuration file. Open the file and scroll down near the bottom until you find the repository section. Here, you'll see a couple of lines that are commented out. Simply remove the hashtag in front of those lines to enable them. After that, save the file and exit the editor. Next, update your system so it can fetch the packages from the newly enabled repository and install everything correctly. Once the update is complete, reboot your system to apply the changes. After rebooting, we can install Steam just like a normal application. Start the installation and wait for it to finish. This will install all the required dependencies automatically. When it's done, you can launch Steam either by typing its name or by finding it in your application menu. Steam will run its initial updates, and once those are complete, it should open normally. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.